welcome back to a very grey day, isn't it? Oh, it couldn't get any darker. It might look better on the GoPro though. So what am I up to? Well, I'm just out because I've not been out all weekend. And it's Monday, I'm back to work tomorrow 3 days. Just had a busy weekend doing other stuff. Out with the dog a lot. So it's so good to get out on the war horse again. It's definitely getting cooler. It's not that cold, I need to switch my gloves on yet. But I'm doubled up jacket wise. I've got my down layer underneath my wax jacket, got my army Gore-Tex on, and I've got my keen boots that I'll be wearing this winter with thick socks. So I'm just going to give the bike a run, and I'm going to try that DJI drone again behind it. I'll go and do a track where I can go slow enough for it. Hopefully it can follow me okay. So it's Monday the 4th of November. Into November already. The good old days, it'd be bonfire and fireworks tomorrow night, but no more public events now with this woke nation. It's really dark. It's dry though, that's the thing. It is dry, it's forecast dry. Right, I'll shut up till we're out these windies. This, isn't it? You just got to watch though, because some folk just drive too fast on it. So, what else then? So I was on holiday last week, but I wasn't really well for a few days, upset stomach and that. So anyway, there's some drone films and that, so you'll see them coming up. Watched quite a bit of YouTube a couple of days, I just stayed in, and with jealousy watching the guys out in Alaska with the snow now arrived, and they're getting all their old trucks fired up. Kind of through having my Jeep and having the bikes that I ride, which are ridden on snow. I've come across a lot of really good Alaskan channels. I just love the Alaskan way of making things work, you know, fixing everything, and brilliant. Okay, so now we're into 40 all the way into and out the other side of Haddington. So what I'm going to do is I'll head to the back of Gifford to a track, and I'll come back there with the recording, okay? See you in a bit. So the road I took up to here is a film on its own, worthy of its own, with the golden colours from the trees. But I'll keep that for a day. It is nice and sunny. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll leave this GoPro running, so then you'll get some engine noise rather than me putting my music on. Oh, it's so dull. So I'm hoping there's no overhanging trees in here. Guess we'll find out just now. Okay, hello little man.
Direction track. Follow.
That's us.
Far. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So let it find itself. Look at it looking down at me. What a clever thing that is. Okay. Yeah, you're following me, that's cool. So I can watch it in the mirror as well. Just got to remember it only does 15 mile an hour. Still there? Okay. Off we go. Always a wet bit on this path. Really wet with the rain. Oh, it's still behind me. The hairpin. You can hear it still. Come on, little fella. Brilliant. It got round without hitting any branches. So, of course, this goes past the ROC bunker, which I've got another film to do about because I've got a whole load of history about them. Oh, a stick stuck in my front wheel. That's it. Yeah, still behind. Okay, you're still there. In the middle I shouldn't get in a rut because it's quite rutty this against the four-wheel drive vans that go up to service the transmitter. I'm sitting at 15 mile an hour, that's just putting in second. I was going to do a lot of stuff. There's an ROC post there, we'll return to that. If you were going to do more of this type of riding, you would lower the gearing on the bike, and it would just take out less of the work on your clutch. You do feel the weight of these though when you hit the mud like I just did there, but if you put square edge tyres on this, which resemble trials tyres, Bridgestone ones certainly look like that, and the T63s and the other Michelin ones, then lower the pressure, then you certainly get the grip. All you got to watch for lowering pressure, there you go, is the that's still following me, and aye, that's good. You just need to watch your rim strikes on rocks and stuff, you know. I just got a little insect in my right eye, which is a bit annoying, but oh, we're losing you. Oh, you're coming back, there you go. There you go. What an amazing little thing. Well, you talk about your big adventure bikes, now that's just an old track which is really wet down below, and you've got mud on top of hard tack. Right, we've lost her. Oh no, here it comes. Your big adventure bikes with a struggle coming up there. Look at you. You're amazing. Right, I've got a bug in my eye here. So we'll get you back. Come on, little fella. That is... that's brilliant. So, we'll follow my motorcycle. Now, what I want to know is what's coming in the future. When they build things like that, that'll do 40 mile an hour, even 50. Because labouring in 5th, or just putting along in 4th, this wee bike will sit at 40 really nice. And what better would be able to just to film this on country roads. You see my films, so be able to do it from the air, even higher up, further back, would be fantastic. So I know the DJI Mini 4 will do that, but that's still a lot of money. Anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. So this was one signed Sled Hill, this is. Told you there's no green lanes in Scotland, so but let's not tell anyone about this. Anyway, that worked fine. So I'm going to head home because I want to take the dog out again for it's dark. It's so grey. It's dark at 5 now. So it'll be a sharp darkness tonight. So hope you enjoyed that. Okay. Whew. A lot of mud on those tyres a bit. I'll just take it easy till they clean. How they write the farm name on the roof with different coloured slates. So there's another old road, see it? It goes up to the side of that farm. You've usually got the gate locked and it's all overgrown and rubble and stuff. I used to do all these on my motorbike. Some of the farmers wouldn't mind, some probably does, you know. I guess the folk, they don't know what you're up to though, so. But that one there, any of the starts and finishes at the side of a public road, fair game in my book. Okay, I'm off, hope you enjoyed that. See you, what will be next? Got loads of drone films, small ones with that one, on the beach with the dog, and I also have some garage stuff. See you soon. Bye for now.